Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial video series. In this series, we are going to create one by one 3D model of this Autodesk Fusion 360 exercises book. Okay, so let's start. Today in this video, we are going to create this 3D model using these 2D sketches, 2D drawings. Okay, so to do this, simply draw a 2D drawing and then we will extrude it to 5 unit and this will be created. Okay, so simply select the sketch profile, click on this sketch tool and then select the plane. So we are going to select this top plane. Okay, now what we have to do is create this outer circle which has a dia of 80. Okay, so simply click on this circle tool or use shortcut C and then specify the center point. We are going to select this origin as a center point. Okay, now drag the cursor outside and specify the dimension. Okay, so we have a dia of 80, so specify the dia 80 and then press enter. Okay, now the second thing is create this mini circle which has a radius 16, so the dia will be 32 and the origin point is same. Simply click on this origin which is a center point for bigger circle and specify the dimension dia 32 and then press enter. Now what we have to do is create a straight line from this quadrant. Okay, so select this line tool, click anywhere on this circle and draw a straight line. This okay, so this is showing that this line is straight, but we have to make it tangent to this circle. Simply select this line and then this circle. So now this line is straight and as well as this is tangent to this circle. So this icon is showing that this is constraint and this is tangent. Similarly, click on this line tool, select anywhere on this circle, draw a straight line, then exit. Now use the tangent constraint tool, select left click on this line, then select the circle, and now this icon is showing that this is tangent to the circle. Okay, now what we have to do is trim this outer circle and the inner circle. Okay, to do this simply click on this trim tool which has a shortcut of T and then hover over this line and it is changing its color to the red. Okay, simply click on this, it will trim it, trim and trim. Okay, so we have this C tab profile. Next thing is we have to draw these 3 circles of dia 10 and it is equidistant from this circle. So it is vertically from this origin is vertical distance from this origin is 28. You can see it, and similarly this is also 28 from this origin, this is similarly 28 horizontally from this origin. So we have to create a circle which is perpendicular to origin. So we will place our cursor over this line, but we will not click here, and then simply drag our cursor straightward upside and then create anywhere and then specify the dia which is 10 and then press enter. Now we have to do is make it constant, so it is 28 from this origin. So simply click on sketch dimension which has a shortcut D, select this, specify the center point. Okay, and then center point of this circle and place anywhere, and now specify the distance which is 28 from center. Okay, so it is vertically constrained, but it is we have to specify it is in blue color, so we have to specify its horizontal dimension. So to do this, simply click on this horizontal oblique vertical constraint which will enable it to vertically or horizontally to a specified point. Constraints a single line or 2 lines to lie on either the vertical or horizontal axis, whichever is closer to the current alignment. So it is vertically aligned to this point. Okay, now this is in black color, so it is fully constrained. Okay, Now what we have to do is create two other circles which is equidistant from the center point. So we are going to create a circular pattern, and then we will select this circle. Now specify center point, select this, and since we have to create this circle in partial portion and it is 180-degree from here to here, this is 180-degree, and it will here or further here, then it will be in 360-degree, but now it is in 180-degree. So we are going to use distribution as a partial and now specify the degree. So it is in 180-degree and the number of profiles are 3. So the quantity is 3, and now you can see here the two circles also appearing here at equidistance from here. Okay, if we will change it to 4, then you can see here that 3 more circles were creating and at equidistance from each other in 180-degree distribution angle. Okay, we have to specify 3 since we need only 3 and 1 is already created. We only need 2 more. Then click on this OK. Now we have created all 2D profiles which are required to create this 3D model. Next thing is we will extrude it to 5 unit. Okay, so to do this, simply exit from this sketch environment, click on this finish sketch, and now click on this home button and select this extrude option. You can use E as a shortcut. Click on this and now select the profile. Select this profile and this arrow, click on this, hold it and drag it upside and outside. It will create a profile, extruded profile. Since you have to specify the distance 5, so simply type 5 in distance and then press on OK. Now you can see this 3D object is created by using this drawing, and you can create this profile by using multiple methods. Okay, so you can use and create Fusion 360 with various methods. You will be able to create this profile. Okay, now that's all for this video. Thanks for learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.